welcome to my video. My name is Arshal and this is Data Structure and Algorithm Lab experiment number 10, and the experiment name is Implementation of Hash Table with Collision Resolution Techniques. So what is hashing? Hashing is a user allows user to insert delete find records in constant average of time. Means the hashing what will do, the given number of list is 10, means we have given 10 elements in the list, and the number which we are going to insert, that it will mod the number, and what is the remainder value of that number, it will store that in the list. Means if 10, if there are 15 element, there is the list of 15, and what is the number which we are going to insert, it will be mod in that number and it will insert in the list. So here is the program of the hashing. So here I have taken an global variable a, and I have taken all minus values of 10 minus 1 till 10 number of elements. Afterwards, when we are going to insert the elements in the hashing table, it will ask us to enter the number to the user, and afterwards the number which we have inserted, that will be mod by the list, and the number which is there, it will inserted in the in the position of the list. In that, if a of position means the this a, and the position which is going to enter is equal to minus 1, then the element is inserted. Or else, in else it will go I is in for loop I position plus 1 mod by 10, I is not is equal to position I is equal to I plus 1 mod 10. Here what it will be do, the position plus 1 means the position will be incremented, and it will insert that element. Or else, in I not is equal to position I is equal to I plus 1 mod 10. In for loop, I if this condition is not true, it will go in else part. In else part, it will check this position, and a of I is equal to minus 1, then a of a of I is equal to n, means this number which you are going to insert here, this number will be inserted in that element. And again, if it is not there, means the hash is going to be full. So here it will show us, if I is equal to position, the hash table is full, means the element are inserted here in the list. Afterwards, we have to search the element in the list. So here we are going to search, enter the number to be searched, and the search number will be mod by 10 in the given list. If the position entered we are going to search, it will show the number which we have inserted. Afterwards, if j is equal to position mod 10, a of j is not is equal to minus 1, and j is not is equal to position, j is equal to j plus 1 mod 10. Here it what will do, if the j position it is equal to search, means the next number which is going to search, it will return that value. Or else the number which is not present in the list, if a of j is not is equal to position, it will return the minus 1 value and return minus 1. Afterwards, we have to display the elements in the hash table. Here it will what will do, uh, hash table elements are, d is equal to 0, d is less than 10, d plus plus, it will print all the elements, means from this first number it will display all the elements in the given list. Afterwards, in main, it will here is the menu driven program: insert elements, display elements, search elements, and exit. Afterwards, it will ask the user to enter the choice. Afterwards, in case 1, in case 1 we are going to insert, in case 2 we are going to display, or in case 3 we are going to search. Afterwards, in if search element is equal to minus 1, then the element is not present, and if it is inserted, it will show the element is present. In exit the program in case 4, and if we insert 5, it will print wrong choice, please try again. Means here what we'll do, if we insert here the number 10, 45, 45 mod by 15, so the remainder value, that will be 47 here is there, means 47 mod 15, the remainder value come to it will come to, and it will print 2 in the element afterwards. 5 in fifth position here is 35, means 35 mod 15, the remainder will come 5, it will inserted in this fifth position of that hashing table. Afterwards, here we are going to check the elements in the list. So here I am running the program. So here is the insertion we have to perform. Here I am inserting the elements. Here it is asking us to insert these numbers, so I am inserting here 5, element inserted again, that is 7, again 9, 10, 29, 1, 2, 3, here is 66, 88, and 99. So here we have inserted the elements, that is 5, 7, 9, 10, 29, 1, 2, 3, 66, 88, and 99. Now I am going to print all the elements that are in the list. So here is the hash table elements 10. Is 10 mod by 1. It will pr print 1. 29 mod by 10, it will go in 2. 1 mod by 10, it will go in 3. All the elements here are inserted in the list. Afterwards we are going to search two elements, that is 29, 35. So here I am going to search the elements, that is 29. It is asking us that enter the number to be searched. So here is 29, so I am entering here 29. At that is element is present in the list. Afterwards again the number is going to search, that is 35. Here is 35, element is not present in this. Yes, the element is not present because we only insert 10, 29, 1, 2, 3, 5, 66, 7, 8, 8, 10, 9. So 35 is not present in the list. So here is the hashing table algorithm. Thanks for watching.